electric generators or dynamo. Electric generators or dynamo is a device for producing electric currents for the use in home and industry. It converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The principle of working of a dynamo or the generators in powerhouses and dams are the same. Electricity is generated by rotating a coil in a magnetic field. The current is run from the two ends of the coil. Electric current in powerhouses is produced by the generators which have rotating magnetic rotors. The rotors rotate with the rotation of the turbine, and the turbine is rotated by the falling water on its blades in hydroelectric powerhouses and by steam in thermal powerhouses. Faraday's experiment. When north pole of a magnet was held above end A of secondary coil, galvanometer shows no deflection. When the magnet was moved inside the coil, galvanometer shows a deflection. When a magnet was left inside the coil, galvanometer deflection becomes zero. Current flows only when magnet is in motion. Faraday performed a similar experiment by putting a primary coil near the secondary coil. The primary coil is connected to a battery and tapping key T. When the key was pressed and primary circuit was closed, galvanometer showed a deflection to the right. Deflection became zero when key was kept pressed. When the key was left to open, deflection in galvanometer to left side was observed. The closing and opening of circuit with key changed the current in primary coil, which produced a change in magnetic flux in primary. This change in magnetic flux became linked with secondary and produced induced current. The deflection in the galvanometer shows the presence of induced current. Fleming's right-hand rule for induced current. Stretch the thumb, forefinger and central finger of your right hand mutually perpendicular to each other. Then the forefinger represents the direction of field and thumb the direction of motion of the conductor. Then the central finger will represent the direction of induced current. Get Doubtbox on a device of your choice. We have education tablet, pen drive for PCs, SD card, smart TV apps and online versions available. Register today for a free trial and experience the new way of learning.